Edit My Domain Contact Info. Change the details for the underlying contact info on your domains at any time in your SaaSTech Servers account. When domain privacy is turned on, the domain contact info shown in the public WHOIS directory will be replaced with substitute details from our privacy partner, Domains by Proxy. Changes to your contact info won't show in WHOIS unless you turn domain privacy off. Sign in to your SaaSTech Servers Domain Portfolio at shop.saastech.net. Need help logging in? Find your username or password with the links at the bottom of the sign-in page. Try our direct link portfolio.saastech.net to get directly to the domain portfolio. Select the checkboxes next to the domains you'll be updating. Or, select the checkbox next to domain name and then choose Select All. Select Edit Contact Info from the Action menu. Depending on your screen size, you may need to select the More menu and scroll down to see Edit Contact Info. Enter your new contact details. Select the checkbox next to Use for all contact types to apply the edits to all contact types. Or, clear the checkbox to edit each contact type separately. Select Continue to save your edits. If your domain has domain protection, you'll need to verify your identity. If you've had two-step verification turned on for at least 24 hours, enter the code we sent via SMS, or enter the code from your Authenticator app. Otherwise, enter the one-time password we sent to your registrant email address. Required: if your domain privacy is turned off and you updated the registrant first name, last name, organization, or email address, you'll need to approve those updates. You'll see a success confirmation that your domains have been updated. The new contact info may take up to 90 minutes to show in your account and WHOIS. Related step: don't forget to approve any changes made to the first name, last name, organization, or email address if you have turned off domain privacy. More info: set up two-step verification for the best security on your domains and account. Protect your domain from accidental expiration and unauthorized actions by adding or upgrading domain protection.